everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be unboxing this December's Ipsy, so stay tuned. So I was saying I got my Ipsy in the mail, and this subscription is a $10 a month subscription, and there is add-ons that you can buy every month. They have some $3 stuff, and they have some $13 stuff. So I'm going to get right into here. So first is, this is part of the add-ons that I ended up buying. This is the Nomad Around the World Moonlight, and this was $3. So, and you're only allowed 3 add-ons at one time. I wish they'd make it more than that, but they're not. So that really sucks. If I can get into, I have the worst trouble getting into boxes. So, open sesame. So this is it. It's very little. Oh, it's pretty. I forgot how pretty that is. So that is a purple highlight. Pull up and do a little swatcheroo for you. And that is it. That is really pretty. Now this is from another box. This is the lipstick that I have on. But that is a gorgeous highlight. It's very purple though. And I think it'd be really pretty as like for your eyes as an eyeshadow. So that is one. Oh, and this is another thing I got. It's the 1-1 Skin Harley St. London Vitamin C Brightening Booster. Now this I ended up paying $13 for, and I know that it retails for $180. So, and I was actually almost out of this. So, not this brand. I had a cheaper brand that I bought on Amazon, but I loved it. And that's what it looks like. So, that is very pretty. So, and this really helps your face be brighter. You know, the vitamin C really helps. Just be careful in the summertime by wearing this. You don't want it on your face if you're going to go sit in the pool or be outside the beach, because it will make you burn. I learned that by experience. Let's see. I have one more add-on. And this one is called the Pacifica Rainbow Crystal Liquid Mineral Strobe Highlighter. Okay, let's open that up. And we haven't even got into the Ipsy bag yet. And this, I paid $3 for it too. And it is beautiful. Let's see if I can see that. Actually, I'm going to put a little bit on. I'll be a little extra today. So dab, dab, dab. Doop, 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 doop. Oh, it's pretty. It's not very blinding, but it is very pretty. I do like that though. So now time for Ipsy. So like I said, Ipsy is a subscription. It's $10 a month. You do have a profile. You answer questions. They relate things to products that you would like. So I say that I am 40 and I have brown hair and blue eyes, and they will, you know, I love makeup. So I like makeup, I like skincare, I like hair care. So it all depends on what you like. So, oh, first I see we got a brush from Farah. Oh, that is a gorgeous brush. Look at that. That is pretty. Oh yeah, this would be a nice blending brush. Oh, I love that. I just like the way that looks. That is gorgeous. And then we got a Luxie brush. Now, Luxie seems to be very popular in makeup subscriptions. But I don't have this one. This is the Luxie 243 Precision Blending Brush. And this is in rose gold. It's pretty, though. But 2 brushes for a $10 bag. Can't beat it. Let's see what else we get. Then we got this Finding Ferdinand. You can see it. But it is a blush in the color Skinny Dip. And this is one of those magnet blushes. So if you have a Z-Pap, it's like a magnetic thing that you put your products in. It will go right in there. I do have one of those. That is a very, very beautiful blush. Oh, it's very silky and smoothie. Let's see. Find a spot to watch it. I don't know if you can see it, but no, you can't see it. I have to find another place. That's really pretty. Actually, I'm going to put some on. Because I really like that. That is so pretty. Yep, I love that. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's see. And there's still a lot in there. And then I got this Coca and Eve Like a Virgin Nourishing Coconut for Fig Hair Mask. Oh, I love hair masks. Love them. I use them constantly. Let me open it up and see what it smells like. If I can get the little tab. Easier said than done. Oh, it smells good. It has a light, pleasant smell. So, but it does smell good. But that's that. And let's see. Oh, the card. It says, be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. So, and then I got this Catrice eyeshadow. Oh, and it's in luminous lilac. Well, that's pretty too. Well, let's do another swatch. If I can find a place for it. Okay, you gotta build that. If you can see it, it's right here. It is pretty though. So that's nice. And last I got is this Sayate Glitter Flip in the color Infamous. That's pretty though. You can try that on. It's a little too bright for me. I have such a hard time with too dark colors, so everybody else thinks they look great, but I don't know. I'm gonna stick this other lip gloss. This is the Tarte lip paint, and just stick it on top. So it's not so bright. It is pretty though. I do like it. So that is it. My bag is empty. It is a nice bag though, and it says Ipsy here. So not bad at all for 10 bucks. I ended up getting the Ciate lipstick, lip gloss. I got the Skinny Dip blush, the Catrice powder, eyeshadow, not powder. I don't know what I'm saying. The Coconut and Eve Like a Virgin hair mask. What else is in here? Oh, and come on, and 2 brushes for 10 bucks. You can't beat that. And like I said too, I ended up getting this vitamin C oil, which normally would be, like I said, $180 for $13. So I'm very happy with this month's Ipsy. So like always, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment. And I can't wait to see you guys later. Bye.